Implementing Nissan's Kaizen philosophy. Have you heard of Kaizen? It's a philosophy most famously adopted by Nissan, which means that all decisions are taken according to the mantra of Kaizen, or constant improvement. So what is Kaizen? The phrase literally means change for the better in Japanese, and in business, it refers to the continuous improvement of all functions and all employees, from the CEO to the line workers. The philosophy was made famous by car manufacturer Nissan, whose company statement says, "We will not be restricted by the existing way of doing things. We will continuously seek improvements in all our actions," but has been practiced in Japanese business since the end of the Second World War. So, how can you use Kaizen in your business? The philosophy is built in a 4-step process that's pretty simple to implement. It looks a little like this. Step 1. Planning. Brainstorming questions such as, what do we want to achieve? What do we need to learn? Do we need help? What steps should we follow? Step 2. Doing. This is about implementing the plan. Ask yourself, what resources do we need? Who will do each task? When is the deadline? Step 3. Checking. An opportunity to see what progress is being made. Use this as an opportunity to see what has gone well, what can be improved, and what resources are needed to hit the goals. Step 4. Adjust and repeat. This is the most important step. There's no point checking what went well and what needs to be improved if you don't implement and test it. Nissan says that small, steady changes are the key to their success, so it's key to ensure that you're adjusting each time you set out on a task. Have you ever adopted the Kaizen approach? Feel free to share your thoughts below.